and I'm here at Cottonwood Pass. I climbed to 11,800 feet. This goes towards Buena Vista, Colorado, and Cottonwood is open. That pass is open, but there's still snow. Look at that. I want to think it's so cool. I already had 34 degrees this morning. It's about 40 now. And then, oh my God. What is this? Is this a piece of snow? It's all iced up. How cool is that? How cool. There's still snow on the side of the road here. Look at that. They must have had so much snow. That's just incredible. I bet you can ski up there. I don't know if you can get up there. Maybe from the other side they have a ski pass. But look at that view. That thing must be about 13,000, 14,000 feet. I think it's the highest peak here. This is the snow on the sides of the road. I'm close to 12,000 feet. They must have had so much snow up here. It's amazing. It's 42 degrees. And look at those mountain peaks. All snow here. Look at that. The road is nice and dry. And a lot of snow here. Piled up here.